Hello, Freetown, we don't come. This na your favorite channel, my K. The channel where they show you what you find for see and what you want for see. So today on day, we dey na the western part of Freetown. So today on day, we'll explore again a particular community on how this community talk on it. So we dey around Bullfields in St. John today for we will see how this particular street can talk on it. So what I may do, sit down and relax. Because you know how he always do. If you not subscribe it, subscribe. Like the video, put something at the comment section. So man not talk boku. I just want to enjoy the video for small. And as we dey go, I dey go and show you again how some places them dey. We all know Freetown no dey ever sleep because when some man dey pack in load for return our house, na the time other people them can come for can do business. So and that can always keep the capital city moving, and they always make people them always dey na street. The survival not really easy. So as they see for Freetown, we get two things them. We get the dark side and we get the other people them who they enjoy light. As they see, they'll just move around and let we see this small area there where they inside Bullfields. So let we talk small again about the transportation in part. As you see how the bike rider them motorcar them they pass and that of the keke them. Then self always get a story for tell na the street about nightlife. As some man can always go back in get them brother man or in get a paddy when he can overgive for go lefe and na that they can get fallen and get their arm to mouth for the day for bike rider and keke rider them. They believe on one philosophy say man live by man. So everybody na trust that plan day. So as you see, Yana Gambo Street will still there so. Let we just move around and let we see how this place started. As we all know, when it come, transportation, can really hard to forget, especially the area there. You know, as some man they go sleep as I be said this, you know. Now the time some man they wake, some man in early morning, now some man in your net, while some man in net, and some man in early morning. So Freetown or they sleep, either in daytime or net. Always people and they na street. Freetown na a land of survival. every side busy, both the roadside and the bar them all day around again. So when the music dey loud, other side of Freetown dey gap. For some people dem, the net na escape, while for other one dem, the net na for relax, for make dem forget stress, some for dance, some for laugh, and some man na for make him come alive again. Yaso, music na the language of the city. Always everyone keep happy because when it's come, at the time they able relax and think and take off in stress. So let we talk small again, but the light side inside Freetown. You know, some places then they bright like lantern, while other places them they people they struggle now they blackout. For survive now Freetown, really hard and simple as well. Because Freetown get both gladdy and sadness. Where other people them can enjoy the net, other one them can suffer and they struggle for them to survive for that next day. The city, like I say, you get both gladness and sadness. So it depends on how you want to live your own life. Because for the net, things dem dey wey dey happen na net, and as I say, Freetown no dey sleep, so be careful on how you dey waka na net. So as you dey see dem babala building there, some of them one dey na community, while some na private property dem. And na Gambo Street, na more of the area this wey dey find the Creole people dem. Na Freetown. Gambo Street is really nice. So as you see, the street vendor, everybody they sit down for wait for food for net. Because na some area there na net, food no dey ever shorting. The net, you can just start like say na do clean for them. was inside St. John. As you see the building for Western, can be easy no more for them like to go, because most of them building there are private building there, so they are coming in there. So as like they go, the generator them they stand by for car on. So let's walk around St. John and let's see the different parts of St. John. We're putting them there around here. But first, let's just walk around and let's see how this day. As you can see, most of them building there are powerful building them this. So like I say, Freetown no they sleep. Where the market woman they know they sleep, that the trader know they sleep. Now so the buyer themselves not can great sleep. So as they see, this food now one of the popular food where they get a net now any junction so far. As they see different things there. Yeah, they get bean salad, fish, bread and beans, bread and macaroni, and beaucoup other things there. And for any junction around Freetown, first thing go mostly what they sell that in there. So as they see how the transaction they go to the food stuff. So anyway, let's skip this part first and let we continue for watch again. I hope say you enjoy the video. If you don't reach this part and not subscribe yet, do ya with a big. We really need the support. Just for press the subscription button, and also don't forget for like, comment and share to people them as well. That can be a means of support for we again. So let we continue and let we see the other area them around Bullfields community. Again, Yanagambu Street by Mende Church. At the Mende Church, the Obaso by Dillet Street. So if you don't watch each and this part, thank you. We really appreciate. And at the area this, we'll go first for end today's video. I hope say you enjoy the video, right? If you enjoy the video, I beg do a favor, like the video, subscribe, because more content dey again, more places dem dey for show you around. If you get any place in mind for make you explore, na for put am for we na the comment section. Thank you. This na your favorite channel, my K, the channel wey dey always give you wetin you want for see advert salon for documentary places dem. Na the favorite channel this, na the right channel this wey for visit for Realy. Always see how Leone don talent. So thank you for watching. This na my K.